Are you using VLOOKUP and getting bored of it? Or you want to try a formula which is more complex and can handle a huge database? So today, let's see which formula we can use for that. It is DGET. So let's see how to use that. DGET is equal to DGET. So first condition we had is, first parameter which we need to use is database. So here, this is the database which we are going to use for all the four conditions we had. And next, field. Which field you want as an output? Here, the condition says a player played for Australia. So country is here and we want the player name. So we'll just give player. So you can select either the name of the header or you can give the number of the header. So player is the first one, country is the second, span is the third. Like that, you can give the numbering or you can give the name also. So let's give player. You can do it in multiple ways. You can just type player or you can select from here or select from here, anything works. So select player. And then what is the condition you're saying? Country should be Australia. So I'm giving condition as country Australia. So header name should be there and the condition should be there. So that's it. Close the bracket. Ricky Ponting is the player who played for Australia in this particular table. Let's see the second condition. When we have multiple criteria, a player with more than 400 matches for India. So here we have two conditions. One is the country should be India and he should have played more than 400 matches. So let's see, is equal to DGET. Again, I want the same player. So I'm selecting one, which is the first field I want as an output. And criteria, I'm just selecting the two criteria. So here I have predefined the criteria in a separate cell and I'm giving it as the formula input. So enter. Country should be India, matches should be greater than 400. Sachin Tendulkar is the player who had both the conditions met. Let's see the third one where we don't have text, it's both number formulas. What's the nation of the player with less than 300 matches and greater than 13K runs? So let's see, is equal to DGET. Database will be the same. Here, I want a nation of the player. I don't want the player name. I want the nation of that particular player. So nation is available in the second. So I'm giving 2. You can give 2 or country. Anything is fine. And then condition is available over here, which is my predefined thing. I'm selecting that. So nation of the player who had more than 13K runs in less than 300 matches is India, which is none other than Virat Kohli. But this formula looks so exciting, but there are a lot of limitations. So you have to be careful while giving this particular formula. So for example, let's see. I'm saying get a player who had less than 400 matches and greater than 13K runs. So less than 400 matches and greater than 13K runs. So if you see here, Virat Kohli less than 14K, Ricky Ponting less than 400 matches. And okay, we have two players and we have both of them having greater than 13K runs. So let's see how it works, how it responds for this condition. I'm selecting the database. I'm selecting one, which is the player name, and I'm selecting the conditions available. I'm getting an error. So DGET works when there is only one output for the given input. But if there are multiple outputs, like in this case, there are two outputs, it won't give an answer. It will just say number error. Or if the output is genuinely not available, it will say value error. So the difference between number error and value error is number error means there are multiple outputs for the given conditions. Value error means there are no outputs for the given condition. So let's see for the value error as well is equal to DGET. Database will be the same. Field will be player name and country West Indies, which is not available. So here we are getting value error because there's nothing for the country West Indies, but here there are multiple outputs, so it's giving number error. Hope this helps. Thank you.